Hi everyone, Mr. Jengis here. Hi Fiona, hi Angelino Chanel. Hi Tristan. Hi. How you all doing? Hello. Let me put some stuff in here. That's too small. Make that bigger. What's up, Fiona? Is it weird? I'll lower my volume here. How do you all hear me? Do you hear me good? Do you hear me bad? Do you hear me loud? Welcome to Coding Livestream. Not good. Okay, let me check something out. Check some settings here. Sorry guys, I'm taking you into... Alright, that's correct. Boom. 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 I think I got it all correct. Maybe if I lower the volume entirely. Yes, I'm playing some music right now, guys. So, in the background, you might hear some music like this. Let me know if the music is too loud. And I can bring it down a little bit. But today, what we're doing is about music. So, I'm going to be making a lot of sounds today, and you are going to be making a lot of sounds today, too. Yes, Tristan, sounds. We're going to be making a lot of different kinds of sounds that are already in Scratch. But I'm also going to be recording my own voice into the microphone. Any kind, yes. Well, we're going to find out soon. But first, guys, you got to go to code with me. You can go to scratch.mit.edu or not. If you just want to watch this and maybe do your homework on the side or do something else on the side, you can do that too. But if you want to code along with me, go to scratch.mit.edu, sign in with your account. I can't give you your account. I don't know your account. And once you sign in, create a new project. Could be an explosion, Tristan, but think more like music. I don't know. Oh, and did somebody dislike? Oh no. Oh gosh. Let's be nice, guys. Anybody can dislike, like, or it might be an accident. Usually, it could be the case. Alright, guys. So today, yes, we are getting into sounds. Yes, and friends, if you can subscribe and like this video, that would mean the world to me. And the more likes I get, the more I know that which video was better, so I can use your likes to figure out which video was better and make even better videos later on. Also, friends, if you sign up, if you subscribe for this channel, you can check out our other videos, like our tutorials on Scratch too. There are so many tutorials in this channel, so if you subscribe below, you can check those out. And friends, do you hear me better, Angelino? Thank you. And friends, today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I don't know. What do you guys think? Today, you can ask me anything. What about this? AMA, which equals ask me anything. Yes, you can ask me anything about anything, such as life, coding, the universe, and other stuff. Just in case I was not inclusive enough. Alright, Angelina says, Mr. Jenkins, I saw your videos, they were good views, but I'm not saying you're bad, but at least I think you should add a little bit more content, no offense. Alright, Angelina, well taken, thank you for the constructive feedback. We should add some more content and maybe more editing and better editing with the videos too. Nice. And last week we did checkers, friends, so we did like a whole grid and we put like stuff in there, and it was a fun game. And maybe in the future we can make that multiplayer. That'll be a different live stream on its own, to make multiplayer games on Scratch that you can play on 2 different computers over the internet. Boom. Okay. So friends, this AMA thing is up for the whole live stream. So you can ask me anything about anything, such as preferably coding, because that's what I know most about. But if you want to ask me anything else, I'll try to answer it in the chat. Fatima says, do you want to do something other than coding? Oh, Fatima, you got me there. I want to sing. I want to sing, Fatima, and I think I will get to do it with coding today. I can't sing. Let me correct that. I can't sing, but I want to. I wish I was an amazing singer. That would be really cool. Oh, and Fiona says, can we play Kahoot together later? Because you are talking to the Kahoot champion. Am I, Fiona? I remember this last week. Fiona won the Kahoot. I think you were first, right? But it was so close. It was like keeping on moving. So we were on the edges of our seats. Okay, guys, just ask me anything. It still stands. I'll just say AMA equals ask me anything at the bottom right here. Whoa. Can't see. Alright. That's there. Oh, I got it. Today, AMA ask me anything. Alright, so let me have an empty, open project. Tristan says, can I get a pizza? Yes. Tristan, you can get a pizza. You're welcome, Tristan. Making my way downtown. Na 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 na. Is that the song? Okay, Fiona, let's get started. Alright, we're doing good. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, we have a cat here. We don't need to have a cat, so I'm gonna delete that cat for now. And first, I'm gonna go to the backdrop. So when you delete all your sprites, and when you delete all your sprites, you automatically select the background. And a lot of my code today is gonna be in the background, in the backdrop. So friends, make sure you've selected your backdrop, and you can get rid of any of your sprites. And we're coding the backdrop here. Now put this to the top. Backdrop code. Backdrop code. Alright, let's see. Alright, can we make a pizza? It says Chanel, like, in real life. Can we make a pizza in real life? Yeah, Angelito, of course. I haven't done anything. I just deleted all my sprites. Delete all your sprites. So step 1, delete all sprites. Bam. Yes, you will get to pick so many sprites later on, but first, delete all sprites. And then, friends, go to the Sounds tab. So on the top left corner, you'll see the Sounds tab. It's right here. Well, that's a thick line. Boom. That's where I'm at. Let me make that line a little bit skinnier. Yes, right here. And then, friends, you're gonna click here to choose sounds. Yes, you can actually choose sounds by clicking on this little button right here. It says choose sounds. Let me make that a little bit better. Oh. Her. Maybe I can do it like this. All right, friends. I'm gonna click on choose a sound, and then I can delete everything, I think. And then go to loops. So up here, there are categories of sounds. Once you click on that new sound button, Raven, no backdrop. No backdrop. To sounds. So let me show you that over here. First, make sure that you delete all of your sprites. Make sure that all of your sprites are deleted. And then go to the Sounds tab over here. Oops. And once you're at the Sounds tab, friends, click on the little tiny megaphone icon right here. And then once you are there, you can go to loops, everyone. So there's a category selector at the top, loops. And Tristan, you were asking what kind of sounds? Yes, what kind of sounds? You can get all kinds of sounds. You can get a sheep sound. Oh, is the volume up enough? This is the sheep sound. We got, I don't know, duck, meow, another meow, and a moo. Angelina, we just started. I don't know. And then in the effects, there are other sounds like boom, bang, boom, bing. But I'm going to the loop sound because I want to make a loop of music in the background so that I can make some changes to that sound. And there is one right here. It's called techno. I like this one. It's pretty cool. There's also video game music. Angelina, for sure we're doing a Kahoot, but at the end. And I think we end in about 45 minutes. All right, or there's a reggae. Or garden. I don't know about that one. Drum set. Oh, drip drop. You know what? I'm gonna go for a drip drop. And in the chat, friends, tell me, what loops did you pick? So I put a drip drop into my program. And again, you can click on that choose a sound button right here at the bottom left corner. That same button that we clicked on earlier. When you click on that, you can go back in here and add even more sounds. I just added one loop. And you know what? I'm going to add another one. I'm going to add 2 loops here. One is techno, cool. And the other one is drip drop. So tell me in the chat, friends, what loops did you pick? I picked drip drop. I went to loops here. I picked drip drop, which is cool. Oh, there's also dubstep. Angelino says, I picked ba. Fatima says, meow. Those are great sounds, but friends, go to loops. Try this one out, because for this code that I'm about to show you, loops will work better. The sounds inside loops will work better. And if you add a sound from there, it's gonna work a lot better. But if you already added a sound, you can keep that in there. We might use it later on. Hi Vicente, hi Aquilino. Or Demon X5. Alright guys, I'm gonna go click back and go to code. Okay. So I'm back in the sounds and I clicked on the code, everyone. Let's see here. Back to the code. Back to the code. Raven picked techno and drum. Awesome. And friends, just to show you the code really, really fast. When green flag is clicked, forever, play sound of the loop until done. Until done is the key word here. That's very key. Until done. Because if it's until done, it sounds like this. Which is nice compared to something else. For example, if you played start sound techno, which we don't want. We don't want this one. It sounds like this. Are you guys ready for it? You might need to lower your volumes. It's gonna sound really, really bad. Are you guys ready for this? You guys hear that? Oh wow. I don't hear anything actually. Hold on, let me see. Let me do drip drop. Or pop. So we get this like really glitchy sound if it's a start sound. But I think they fixed it a little bit, huh? It just doesn't play. Ah. So friends, make sure that you have until done in here. Your loop is gonna sound a lot better. Yeah, so it was a little bit glitchy. Maybe other loops might get a more glitchy sound. But friends, just make sure that it's until done. You can try it for yourself. Try start sound, whatever it is. And then put that inside the forever, click on green flag. It's gonna be a really, really glitchy sound, yeah. Yeah, okay, so I have a background sound here, nice. And we've done this kind of code before, where you say when space key is pressed, play some other sound. So Fatima and I believe it was Angel or Angelino picked animal sounds. So if you go back to, let me stop the sound. If you go back to the sounds tab, you'll see that I have pop, drip drop, and techno. Cool, but let me get those animal sounds too. I'll add a ba sound. And I'm gonna add another animal sound, the choo choo. Cool. And when space key is pressed, I can start the sound choo choo choo. And when maybe C key is pressed, I can start the sound ba. So here is a difference. We start the sound when we want the sound to play while something else is playing. That way we can do this. Oh, that way, let me click on a green flag. We can do this. And we can actually smash that space key. And we can do like really glitchy little sounds, which are cut up kind of. It sounds like that air hum. Right, guys, and I just wanted to show you as well, if you don't use start sound, if you play sound until done, then you can't do that little chopped up thing. But if you add a start sound and you do this, you can get that chopped up sound by smashing that space key. So I have the space key right here on my keyboard. And there's also the letter C that does a ba sound. And we can smash that key too. That sounds like actually a cool bass line. Right, Angel? This is kind of cool. And friends, I think I'm gonna add even more sounds. Not animals, but there is a wacky sound category here. So if you haven't checked this out before, the wacky sound category. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. And if you go to the wacky sound category, you can find like really cool, weird sounds. Snoring. Ta-da! And of course, my favorite. Dun dun dun! I like this dun 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 sound. I really, really like this dun 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 sound because it's so dramatic. So I click on play. And click on play again. You know, if you can say something really dramatic, you know, like I had cereal for breakfast today. Or like, I think I need to go to the bathroom. So friends, I have that dun 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 sound right here. It looks like this. And this is what's called a waveform. I think that's what it's called, sorry. A waveform right here. And what we can do is we can pick like certain parts of that dun dun dun. So there's a dun. Dun. And then there's another dun right here. Or like right here. And then there's another dun right here. There's a dun, dun, dun. There are 3 duns in there. What I can do is I can actually copy to a new one. So I'm gonna pick the first dun. By grabbing these little blue things, I pick the first dun. It's right here. I know it from the peak of this waveform, and I click on play. Really nice. I'm gonna click on copy to new. So what I'm doing here is first, select a sound, any sound, but dun dun dun, 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 dun works really well. And then select a part of it. So you can select a part of the waveform by clicking and dragging right here. And you can click and drag these little blue things to select the dun that you want. It's the last dun. Hi, Jaylene. This is the first done. There's another done right here. It's gonna be a good done. And then there's another done all the way over here. So select one of those dones. I'm gonna select the first done. And then, third step, click, copy to new. Maybe I should make this a little bit bigger. You guys can see it probably. Yeah. And then 3, copy to new, which is right here. Oh, I can draw arrows. What? I can draw arrows. So I'm going to go ahead and click on copy to new. I selected the first done. Bam. Look at right here. There is a done 2 at the bottom. I'm just going to call this one done 1. So you can actually change what you call your sound right here. Again, guys, I have the first done right here. I click and drag to select a part of the waveform, and then I click on copy to new. When I do that, there's a new sound at the very bottom, and you can change the name of it to whatever you want. This is going to be done. Whoa, this is going to be done 2, and it sounds like this. We have done 1 here, done 2, done 1, done 2. Cool. Let's get the third one. I'm gonna click and drag to get that last done. Nice. And then I can copy to new as well. And this is gonna be, I'm gonna call this one done 3. It sounds like this. So we got done 1, done 2, done 3. I chopped that done into this done right here. And I chopped that sound into 3 parts. First, second, and third. Okay? That's all I did. I had this sound, and I chopped it up by selecting a part of it that I want, and then clicking on copy to new. Alright, so I'll click on back to the code. Back to the code, everyone. And here, let's add something similar to what we had earlier. Which is like A key pressed, start sound done 1. Okay, B key pressed. Then start sound done 2. Oof, I gotta scroll down. Done 2. When C key pressed, guess what? Play done 3. Oof. So friends, this is all the code that I have. I just added these codes right here. I took the sound done, and I chopped it up into parts. The first done, the second done, and then the third done. And A would be the first done, the B would be the second done, and C is gonna be the third done. So let me try that out. Oh, that was unexpected. Why is this happening? What? What's going on? Okay, I'm doing the A, B, C. Do you guys hear a goat sound? Guys, do you hear a goat sound? Why is that happening? I'm pressing A, and I press B, and when I press C, I also hear a goat sound. So when I press A, and I press B, and when I press C, I hear a goat sound. Jalen, yes, I did something wrong and I need to fix it, but I need your help. But I need your help. You guys, let me zoom in so that maybe you can see this a little bit better. This is the new code that I added. I just added the code in the square. But when I press the A key, it works fine. Nice. B. And when I press the C, I also hear a goat. Tristan, what's going on? That's right. And I need to maybe move this a little bit to the side, guys. Sorry if you couldn't see this from my head. But yes, when the C key is pressed, two sounds are happening. When the C key is pressed, there's done 3. When the C key is pressed, also we play the sound ba. That's right. Yes. Okay. So we got this. When I click on the green flag, this happens. When I press on the space. When I press on the C. Alright, cool. Wait, does this sound like the Darth Vader theme? Darth Vader? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Nava, I'm sorry if I scared you with the ba, but it's so awesome. I press the C key. It's so dramatic at the same time. It's a goat. I can change it. I can do like an A for the goat. Oh, but A is also done 1. What? Okay, instead of A, I can pick D. That's way better. Let's try this out. Oh yes, you can also do this with the start sound command. I have I have space key pressed and D key pressed, for example. I can press them both at the same time. No. Oh, I gotta click right here. So you can go back and forth like this. You basically have a soundboard now. And friends, you can add even more sounds. All you gotta do is Friends, if you just joined in, maybe you joined in late, all you gotta do is delete all your sprites first, and then go to the sounds tab. Even if you have sprites in there, you can still go to the sounds tab and start adding some sounds into your program. By clicking here. Yes, right here. You can click on the megaphone right here to choose some sounds. I chose so many. I have 9 sounds in here so far. And if I click on choose a sound, hold on, let me stop the music in the background, sorry. And if I go to choose a sound, I can find some other ones too, like voice. Oh. Let's hear this one. There's also cheer. And there's beatbox.
Hey.
Oh, interesting.
Hey. 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 Hey.
I like that hey. That hey is good. I like that hey. Okay. And friends, I want you to take the time because there are some awesome sounds in here. If you go to voice, let me delete this thing. If you go to voice, you can get stuff like crowd laugh. So if you do a joke that doesn't land, if people don't laugh, you can get a virtual crowd to laugh for you. Yes. Yes, it looks like all you guys came here for, oh sorry, all you guys came here for was Kahoot. Come on guys, give it a chance. You can go to Scratch and choose a sound by going to the Sounds tab first, and then go to this button right here. That is the button. Button. And yes, once you click on that button right there, you can find all these really cool sounds, especially inside Wacky. There are some awesome ones. I'm adding the ta-da in there. Ta-da. Okay, let's add that ta-da in there too. And remember guys,
hey,
this is hey, 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 hey. I'm gonna grab hey and put it into my program. Let me duplicate this guy. When, let's say, E key is pressed, start sound, whoa, start sound, hey.
Hey, 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 hey.
And then when I click on a green flag, forever, the play sound techno until done is here. This is the melody right now. This is not the melody, the rhythm. This is rhythm code. Rhythm code. So if I click on a green flag, we'll get the rhythm in the background, the loop. And I can press some letters to make more sounds. And I just added a new sound. Hey.
Hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, Angelina, you thought somebody was saying hey to you?
Hey.
It was me.
Hey, 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 hey.
And guys, again, this is the code. When E key is pressed, start sound, hey. I just added this code. This is hey code. Oh, sorry, I got it right in there. Hey code. Hey code. That's a weird name for a code. It's like hey.
Hey. Hey, 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 hey.
I should use this in class. Like, Fatima.
Hey.
Pay attention.
Hey.
Jaylene, I'm talking to you.
Hey.
Raven.
Hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Maybe you guys would get desensitized to it. Angelina, I wish you could share your screen too. That would be so cool. That would be amazing. Okay, I'm chopping up. I'm gonna do one more chopping up. This is the tada sound I had earlier, all the way at the bottom of all my sounds in here. I have a tada sound. It's like you present something. Hey, look at this. Great. But I want to take the first part, this part right here, and click on copy to new. So I can chop this sound up. So once I choose the part of the sound that I want, I can copy to new. And now at the bottom, I have tada 2. I'm gonna do the same for the other part. This part right here. The rest of the sound. And then click on copy to new. Now I have tada 3. I'm gonna delete the original tada and just have tada 2. Let me call this actually tada 1. And then this one, I'll call it tada 2. Just dun, dun. Oh man, I have so much code in here now. It's crazy. It's getting crazy in here, you guys. Okay. And then duplicate this again. Where am I at? I think I'm at F now. F and then G. Oof. This is getting really crazy. Okay. F and then G. And tada 1, tada 2. Okay. So there was a sound called tada, and I cut it up into first part and the last part. And then I programmed each button to do each part of those sounds. So F is this, and then G is this. If you combine them, FG, there's the original sound. Now, click on a green flag and loop that techno rhythm. I like just tada 2 itself. Now. Kind of sounds like the and then hey. Okay. All right, friends, that was a lot. Are you ready for one last thing? One last thing before Kahoot. And, my puppy is not here, Jalen. He's sleeping. Okay. Everyone, one last thing before the Kahoot. But before, can you please like and subscribe to this channel? If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And also you can check out other cool videos in this channel. And friends, I'm Mr. Jengus. I'll be making more live streams like this every week on Tuesdays at this same time. Even if it's a holiday. Yes, even if it's a holiday, I will make live streams. Probably. I will try to hold up to that promise. Okay, great. So the next part that I'm gonna do, let me move stuff away over here. The next part is all about recording my own voice, you guys. So Fatima asked me in left and right. Ooh, I don't know. Fatima asked me what would be my dream job, or what would I prefer. Is there anything I would like to do other than coding? And I said, I want to sing. Yes, I'm gonna program the G button this time. And friends, once you click on start sound to choose a sound here, at the very, very bottom, there's a thing called record. Yes, it's a thing called record. You can click record to record your own voice. So if you don't want to use the tada or the dun 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 or the chi chi chi, then you can totally just click on record. Angelina, yeah, go ahead and ask your question. All right, once you click on record, you get something like this. On the left side, there's a green bar. That's the decibel meter. It basically measures how loud your volume is. Angelino, yeah, go ahead and ask your question. So after you click on record there to record your own voice, you can click on record again. Right here. Okay, I'm clicking on this sound. First of all, guys, actually, let me play this. Okay. Okay. I like that. Again, I recorded my voice. You know what? I didn't like it. I'm gonna click on re-record. Let me see. Let me see. Delete. Angelino. Let me see how that sounded. Delete. Angelino. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna save that. And okay, same thing as the chopping up thing. Like, listen to this. Delete. Angelino. So I just said some of your names in there. Jaylene is right here. Jaylene. Let me copy that to new. And I think Nava is like somewhere over here. I said it very fast. Nava. And copy to new. And then I think I have a long Angelino. Angelino. Oh, Fatima, you want in here too? Let's do it. Fatima. Okay, sorry, that was loud. Fatima. Whoa. Okay, save that in. Okay, I'm gonna call this one Fatima. And this one is, I think, Angelino. Angelino. This one is, I think, Nava. And then this one is Jaylene. Okay. Guys, this is completely random. Guys, we don't have the time. I want to make time for the Kahoot, everyone. But just to give you an idea, I got Jaylene right here. I got Nava. And then Angelino. And then who else? Fatima. And I'm gonna do both Angelino and Fatima at the same time. Jaylene! Oh. Jaylene! Jaylene, are you there? Jaylene! I'm gonna use this in my class to wake you up, Jaylene. Jaylene! And then I have also this one. Never. And Angelino and Fatima at the same time. Angelino! Angelino! Alright guys, that's all I have. If you haven't already, click on that share button and title your project. Oh, and we didn't add anything inside. I don't think I had enough time to do that, but guys, you can add all kinds of sprites and backgrounds in there. I'm just gonna call this one sound or sound board, I think, or sound machine, right? And I'm just gonna say press all the letters of the alphabet to make sounds. Basically all the letters of the alphabet. I didn't get to Z exactly, but I got to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, H, I, Angelino, and J. No, I didn't get to J, but I got until I. Awesome. Alright guys, and I'll put the link to this project into the description of this video so you can check it out, look at my code, and then you can remix it however you want to remix it. Alright guys, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Alright, I'm gonna click on play. Alright. Okay. Let's see how we do in this Kahoot. This is, I'm gonna say, a medium Kahoot. Maybe? Oh. Gotcha. Actually, I can't do this one. I can do some code. No. There we go. I think I can do this one, yeah. And randomize. There we go. All right, guys. I have a Kahoot for you all. Let's hear that music. You know what to do. You're gonna go to http www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin 4578584. Okay, this is a Kahoot about technology. Oh, we can't do team mode, Fiona. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. Fiona is here. Hold on, I was about to cancel you, Fiona. Raven is here with a boop emoji. Carlos is here. All right. Maria from Na is here. Angelina Yusas is here. I'm Winning is here. Code123 is here. Chris Mary and Pink Queen are here. JJ is here. Alright, FD is here. And friends, I'm about to get started. Starting Kahoot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright friends, I'm clicking on that start button. Bam. LiveStream Kahoot about the internet. Let me make this big, big, big. And friends, just one second. Let me switch the scene right here. Bam. Alright, so is everything found in the internet true? Tristan, yes. Go ahead and say the answers in the chat. The answer is yes. Did we do this already? Well, Tristan, let's see if you remember it. And friends, there might be a bit of lag between when you see the question versus when you answer it. There might be some time in between when you answer and when you see the question, or when you see you answered. That's right. No is a correct answer, and here is Abraham Lincoln saying, don't believe everything you read on the internet just because there's a picture with a quote next to it. Because Abraham Lincoln didn't even know about the internet. So how is he talking about the internet? All right, let's see next. All right, this is a way of sending a message from one computer to another. How do we send a message from one computer to another using the internet? Easy, says Angelina. Okay. Easy peasy. Is it email, Nava? Are you sure? Yes, email is the correct answer. Let's see the podium. Okay, all right. Not much has changed. How many emails then are sent every day? Every day, how many emails are sent? Is it 250 billion, 1 trillion, 500 billion, or 2 trillion? Tristan says 500 billion. Is he right? Alright, friends. I'm skipping in 3, 2, 1. I'm skipping. 250 billion. Yeah, super easy. Is it super easy? Do you guys remember this perhaps from somewhere? Okay. What percent of all emails is considered spam? Spam email is junk email. Nobody asked for these emails. How many percent, what percent of emails are emails that people don't want? Is it 20%? Is it 50%? Is it 70%? Or all emails are spam? Maybe. Maybe all emails. "70%, says Tristan. Could be 70%. That's a lot. Or all emails are spam. Maybe. All emails do feel like spam. Okay, guys. In 3, I'm skipping. In 2, in 1, and 0. Yes, 50% of all emails is junk. Nobody wants them. Raven just shot up to first place. Great job, Raven. Who was the first computer programmer in history? Yes. Who was the first computer programmer in all of history? Was it Annie Jump Cannon? Was it Mary Jackson? Was it Wangari Maathai? Or was it Ada Lovelace? Oh, Nava asks, what is spam made of? Nobody knows, Nava. I think nobody knows. It's some kind of meat, but nobody really knows. And maybe that's why it's delicious. Okay, guys, let's go. I'm gonna skip the question in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yes, Ada Lovelace is the correct answer. She is the first computer programmer in history. Even before computers were invented, she was like, yo, we should invent a computer so I can write programs to it. And he wrote down these programs, and we still use their programs today. Carlos is back in first place. Okay. Alright, Firefox, Chrome, and Safari are examples of what? These are... The Firefox is right here, Chrome is right here, Safari is right here, Microsoft Edge, I believe, or no, it's Explorer. What are these things? Are they computers? Are they websites? Are they web browsers? Or are they games? Nightbot. Web browsers, yes. These programs is how we access the internet. There are many of them out there. Web browsers. Pink Queen, you are on fire. Just FYI. Chris Mayray, you're in 5th place now. Alright, what is downloading? Is downloading sending a file on the internet? Is it receiving a file on the internet? Is it moving a file on the internet? Or is it deleting a file on the internet? Alright, I'm skipping in 5, 4, 3. Nice, okay. Receiving a file on the internet is how you download. So when you grab something from the internet and put it into your computer, then you are downloading. Carlos, you are on fire. Raven and Carlos are so close right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay. What is uploading? Sending a file on the internet, receiving a file on the internet, moving a file on the internet, or deleting a file on the internet. What is uploading? And you know, we hear it all the time. Oh yeah, you gotta upload that to the internet. It takes forever to upload. What does it mean? Sending a file on the internet. That's right, guys. So when you are sending something to the internet, you upload it there, and others can download it from the internet and use it. So for example, you can upload photos to the internet. Whenever you post photos on Instagram, you're uploading to the internet. And if you download photos from Instagram, then you are downloading. Then you are putting those photos into your computer. Raven, you guys, I think we have 3 more questions. What is a cookie? What is a cookie? That's the question. Is it a delicious treat? Is it a hacker file? Is it an internet tracking file? Or is it a website? It's 14. Okay. Yes, what is a cookie, guys? I'm skipping in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I'm clicking on skip. Yes. Okay. All right. Yes, cookies are a delicious treat. They are amazing. But cookies are also an internet tracking file. So websites keep your information inside what's called a cookie. It's a file that has all of your information when you visited that website, what your passwords are, what your username is, all that stuff. Raven just shot up to first place. 2 more questions, guys. Just 2 more questions. Okay. Webcam is a camera we use for video chats. It was invented for what purpose? Why was the webcam invented? Oh, I think my stream might have paused, you guys. Nobody got this one right. I don't think you guys were able to see the question. But, let me wait a little bit. Stream is healthy. Okay. So sorry, friends, if you lost the stream right there. I'm breaking up a little bit because of my internet connection, I think. But here is the story of the first webcam. In 1991, the first webcam was invented by students in Cambridge University to watch a coffee pot. Yes, they wanted to watch the coffee pot in the office so that they'll know when it's ready without leaving their desks. Yeah, this way people can check if there's any coffee left without leaving their computer. So they were super lazy. So because they were so lazy, they invented a whole new way of communicating, the first webcam. And this webcam was finally disconnected in 2001. Which is crazy, right? All right, guys, let's see the podium. Pink Queen is 3rd place. 2nd place goes to Carlos. And 1st place goes to Raven. Congratulations, Raven, for getting 1st place. Chris Mary and I'm winning follow in 4th and 5th. Guys, that was a hard Kahoot. Some of you might have already done it, but there were some questions in there that you might have not seen or might have not remembered. And those are really, really important informations in there too. Friends, thank you for coming in again. My name is Mr. Cengiz. Hi everyone, I'll be here every Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. ET or 3:30 Pacific time to do this live stream with you all every Tuesday, even if it's a holiday. Yes. And everyone, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!